What is this for real app AI voice messages? What exactly it does? So just quick overview for you. So this is an app you easily create account with your Instagram, and the idea is that when you create your account, you create your own link, you copy your link, and then you can just share it on Instagram stories. This link you can share this link whatever also on Twitter, on Snapchat, how you like it. You just copy a link, but this app is specifically designed for Instagram. So here I will show you how to share it. So just open Instagram. You can use any Instagram account you like, and then just tap on the stickers in top right, tap on link, pass the URL here, and then you just can insert link here and then just frame it nicely, and then you can just share it in your story, for example. And then what happens if you just go to your story, people will see, your friends will see this link, and then they can send you some message. But this is not like just text message as you have in Send It app or NGL app. So this app can generate a voice message using some celebrity voice, like for example, whatever you choose. And then there is a character limit.
Hi there.
You can listen to it, and then then what will happen if some of your friends tapped on that link, you will see it will be here appearing in your inbox. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and then you will be able to hear it.
Is it true that you are going out this weekend?
The first book of Moses, called Genesis 1, 1 in the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth. 1, 2.
And then, then these are the messages.
The first book of Moses, called...
However, I got a lot of messages, to be honest. Yeah, but anyhow, then if you want to reveal who sent this, you just tap on the red button, and then you need to upgrade to platinum. So for you, I just upgraded to platinum subscription, which is like $7 per week. There is no free trial, by the way. And then you can see hints like city, country, time sent, font, software, ID, and carrier. You won't be able to see exact username, but these are some of the ideas you can get, of who sent you this message. But again, you won't gonna get as exact username. So you just decide if you want to upgrade to platinum or not. So this is just the concept of the app. Your friends see your Instagram stories, they send you anonymous messages, and you just don't know, you try to guess. And then, if you can always reach out to them for help on Instagram DM. If you want, you can also just tap and delete an account from here. So that's the idea of the app.